Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Jeep Compass. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. 2023 Jeep Compass First Drive, turbocharged in the right direction. A more powerful new turbo engine and improved transmission continue the small SUV's march of improvement. Jeep's Compass has spent years going beyond the pathetic reputation of the 2007 original, which was neither good enough for the Jeepy nor overall to garner much praise. Compass took a big step forward in 2017 with its second generation coming with a mini Grand Cherokee look and a nicer cabin. The 2022 updates further enhanced the compact Jeep's interior and safety features. Just a year later, for 2023, the little Uda Jeep still sits above the Renegade and below the Cherokee is getting more wind in its sails thanks to its bold new turbo engine and more relaxed suspension setup. Gone is the 177 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, one of the Compass's weakest links in standard on the range last year. It was replaced by the same turbocharged 2.0-liter i4 found in Jeep's lineup, namely the Wrangler and Cherokee models, boosting the Compass's output by 23 horsepower and a healthy 49 lb-ft of torque. Also, peak torque is reached sooner at 1,750 RPM instead of 3,900 RPM on the non-turbo 2.4-liter mill. Replacing last year's 9-speed automatic transmission, the new 8-speed automatic transmission helps make the most of the power increase. This transmission has yet to be used in any other Jeep, and its operation pleasantly faded into the background as we drove through the Malibu canyons. We didn't feel the same stiffness or mixed gear selection we encountered in the 9 forward gears of 2022. It also seems much less inclined to pick a very high gear, as the 9-speed engine often does, and that certainly puts the weaker 2.4-liter engine to its knees. Therefore, this improvement in gear selection is augmented by the extra power of the turbo. Improved fuel economy is also part of the new package. All-wheel drive versions are estimated to deliver 2 more mpg than their predecessor, according to the EPA, but their numbers generally lag behind the small SUV class. What about the two-wheel drive Compass? It went like a 2.4-liter engine. Every 2023 Compass comes with AWD as standard. Jeep has also worked to improve Compass handling game for 2023. Aiming for a sportier road ride, engineers readjusted the springs, added frequency-selective dampers, and tweaked the steering rack. The team also went with a sturdier rear stabilizer bar. This not only suppresses the old version's pitch-forward pitch during braking and acceleration, but also handles hard driving. The Compass doesn't exactly offer sports car reflexes. It's compact, still a bit heavy at 3,600 pounds, but a smooth ride is a priority here, and the Jeep outperforms in that regard, even on the larger wheels of the nicer models. And perhaps most impressive is how much off-road you can ride on a Compass. This is an area where the second-gen Compass already excels, at least on the off-road Trailhawk models. The 2023 Trailhawk steered unusually on rutted, rocky trails and extremely steep slopes, and the little Jeep didn't miss a beat thanks to its additional ground clearance, improved approach, refraction and departure angles, hill descent control, off-road tires, skid plates, and active drive low mode, a low-speed traction system from the brand. But even if the 2023 model doesn't specifically boost this capability aside from the more powerful turbo engine, it's hard not to be impressed by all that capability from one of the brand's smallest offerings. So 2023 Compass is a fix to release a not fully baked 2022 version? Not at all. It's more of an example of another automaker continuing to accelerate after pandemic-related supply chain delays took everyone a step or two back. It seems that the better engine and transmission have always been given to Compass, and although they didn't make it in time for the 2022 refresh, they are here now. We appreciate Jeep keeping track of planned upgrades and giving consumers a Compass closer to the brand's sweet spot. It's capable of doing more, including Jeep jobs, and it's calmer in those pursuits with its new transmission and reworked suspension. The drivetrain's improved fuel efficiency is the icing on the cake. This Compass was already heading in the right direction last year after welcoming a classier instrument cluster and fresher tech, but now it's heading in that direction, and others, a bit faster and smoother with its mechanical upgrades.